All right, so this is going to be the solution to your JS task 9. Scenario is 2020 March P4. Similar to what you have done so far. कहता है open the mark conversion task.html file in a text editor. Add JavaScript code to prompt the user to enter a mark and display the mark entered and the correct grade using the text. For number of marks entered, marks the grade awarded is grade awarded. So I have to build a custom message. ठीक है? अच्छा. Students who score 87 marks or above are awarded A. Between 65 86 are B. 37 to 64 C. 37 or are recorded as absent are awarded an F grade. For example, if the user entered 68 marks, the page must display for 68 marks the grade awarded is B. ये custom message आपका final आना चाहिए. Insert programmer comments to explain important parts of your code. Okay. Very first thing, open Dreamweaver, drag drop your HTML, click on the design and open it up in your browser. ठीक. अब यहाँ पे कहता है जी Faculty of Computer Science, end of year module test, results marks to grade utility. Click the button to enter the mark and display the grade. So if I first of all, I have only one element. One is the button. If I click on it, I need to have a prompt which takes the input from the user. ठीक है. अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ. So बटन है, सेलेक्ट करो, कोड में आओ. यहाँ पे हमारे पास लिखा हुआ है जी ये बटन है. On click, it is calling this function. This function is not written. There is no script. I need to add it. Okay. The quickest way to connect your button with your script function. The name of the function is this, already given, right? Type in this curly bracket open close. Within the curly bracket, you will type in alert and this is going to be hello, right? This needs to be a script and the script needs to end. Any issues? So now when I click on the button, I should get the prompt. Okay. So if I click here, I get the pop-up. Done. Simple. अच्छा. अब मुझे यूजर से इनपुट लेनी है. ओके. यूजर से इनपुट लेने के लिए क्या डालते हैं? Prompt. So we type in prompt. My button works. Please input student marks. ठीक हो गया. Run it. Check whether it works or not. Click on the button. It takes the marks. ठीक हो गया. So if I type in 30, I click on OK. The marks are entered. I can enter marks. Okay. What do I need to do? I need to assign their input onto my marks. वेरिएबल बना दिया मार्क्स का, मेरी इनपुट मार्क्स पे जा रही. ठीक है. साथ ही साथ मैं एक वेरिएबल बना देता हूं फॉर द ग्रेड. ठीक है. दिस इज आल्सो एंड ऑफ स्टेट. समझ आ गई? ओके. अगर आपने मार्क्स को टेस्ट करना है तो लेट्स हैव दिस अलर्ट मार्क्स. जो इनपुट डालूंगा वो मार्क्स पे जा रही है और उसके बाद क्या हो रहा है? पॉपअप हो रहा है. सो लेट्स सी इफ इट वर्क्स. एंटर. लेट्स से 60 एंड वी गेट 60. ठीक हो गया. सो दिस इज वर्किंग. अच्छा अब मेरे मार्क्स जो हैं मैं ग्रेड असाइन करूंगा. सो ग्रेड मेरे पास ये है. ठीक हो गया. अच्छा आई नीड टू टेस्ट माई मार्क्स. इफ curly bracket else curly bracket. Logical test. Logical test is if my marks, look at your criteria, 87 or above, A. So I'm starting from the highest value. So if the marks are 87 or above, grade 87 or above, so the value true is going to be, grade is going to be assigned with A. Else के बाद क्या, else में क्या, if, or let's say, yeah, else value false. ठीक है. If the marks are what, क्या लिखूंगा इसके लिए, ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 65. अगले के लिए क्या लिखूंगा, 37. Less than 37 automatically value false बन जाएगी. That is basically F grade. So we have A, B and C, and then we have F. So 65 and 37. So let's look at this. So if the marks are greater than or equals to 65, my value true is going to be, grade is going to be assigned with B. Else value false. Value false, I'm going to go with if again. If the marks are greater than or equals to 37, then value true, else value false. Value true is, grade is going to be assigned with C, right? Else grade is going to be assigned with M. सही है. And then I can take an alert to check whether my grades are correct or not. सही है. Run this. Okay, let me correct this. Alert else. Thank you. Let's run it. So if it is greater than or equal to, let's say 90, grade is A. If I enter something which is 50, the grade is C. If I enter something which is 70, the grade is B. If I enter something which is 20, the grade is F. So all are working. Now, where do I need to put in? I need to put in a custom message. The custom message is this, right? So let's write this custom message. For 68 marks, the grade what it is. 68 marks is basically the marks that you enter. ठीक है ना? तो अब हम अलर्ट को ही अपने जरा चेंज कर देते हैं. Forget about document dot. I'm going to type, I'm going to change my alert. So for speech marks, for space speech marks plus क्या है, marks, ये मेरा वेरिएबल है, ठीक है, प्लस कर दो क्या, टेक्स्ट मार्क्स, राइट. अच्छा, उसके बाद क्या है, टेक्स्ट क्या है, द ग्रेड अवॉर्डेड इज सेमीकोलन, marks the grade awarded is semicolon, and then what, plus the grade. ठीक है, let's run this. Enter, let's say 90 पे क्या होना चाहिए, A. Look at the prompt. For 90 marks, the grade awarded is this. ठीक है. Now, if it wants it to be alerted, we can do this. If I want this to be added to my HTML, right? So what I'll do is, I will have to create that space somewhere and then give it an ID and then put it there. तो some design view में आते हैं, submit button. I'll just press enter twice. Right over here, I've entered. Click on the code. Oh, they have given this. Look at this ID. Display the grade here. They've already given H1. So we can display the text over here. So let's remove this, the entered space. So they have given H1 ID is display grade here. Let's take this. I don't want this to be alerted. I want this to be document dot get element by ID. The ID is this display grade here, the whole of it. Speech marks is my ID dot inner HTML, and this is my message. So remove the bracket. You want the brackets, run it. Click to enter marks 90 and this one. Do we get this? Similar concept. Huh? Okay. So this was the solution to your exercise 9 2020 March scenario.